It's often, I think, the case that people will look at the Emirates from outside and they'll think, oh, it's desert and sand and camels and oil, and when the oil, there was nothing before the oil, and when the oil runs out, there'll be nothing left after the oil. And when I talk to Emirati students in particular back in the UAE, I tell them, this is not the case. In the Emirates, we do have a history that is fascinating, and it goes back a long way. We have massive stone structures that are older than the pyramids. We invented the lateen sail that revolutionized the ability of people to sail across the oceans of the world. And it was in use in the Gulf, it seems, on the basis of archaeological studies. We were using it 1,500 years before the Portuguese adapted that and made their way around the Cape of Good Hope to get to the Far East. So we have done a lot in terms of discovery over the process of our interchange with other countries over thousands of years, developed a culture of tolerance and of exchange with others that makes up the society we have today, which is a tolerant society, and one that people from over 200 countries around the world come and live and work in the UAE. And it's quite rare in the world, and especially rare in the Middle East and the Arab world, to have that kind of tolerant, forward-looking, progressive society. So I have an enthusiasm for the UAE. I and my family have been given citizenship of the UAE. It's a country to which I've devoted over 40 years of my life, and I don't regret a minute of it.